You can easily schedule appointments and meetings within the Zoom app in Canvas. To do this, simply go to the course and click on the Zoom link. From within here, you can click on the Schedule a New Meeting button to set up your meeting. Decide what the topic is going to be. And for security, you have to select either a passcode or a waiting room or both. If you decide to pick a passcode, make sure you enter a meeting passcode. And when you're ready, click on Save. If you click on Zoom again, you can see that the meeting we've created is now in the calendar list, and you can start the meeting by clicking on Start.